I love when people in here ask the same questions that I'm asking myself as I'm walking around. And this is one that I literally have been thinking about for the last like 48, 72 hours, which is this idea of, okay, if we're going to start moving money out of the US, for example, into other currencies and financial institutions or fintech companies that are outside the U.S., we need to start familiarizing ourselves. Like, who are these people? I know in the U.S. there's a big movement right now to move money out of big banks into credit unions. But if we're talking about going to other countries, we got to find out, like, well, who are these companies and who's behind them and what's their market cap and all these things. So specifically to Wise, this prompted me to want to look it up a little bit and do some research, because I have a Wise account, but I haven't put much money in it before. I just use it also as a clearing account, transferring money from bank accounts via wire transfer, and then just paying people like people that I've done work with before and things like that. But now it's sort of like it's an account that is accepted by L'Assurance Maladie in France, which is for the carte vitale. You have to have a bank account attached to it. If you don't have a French bank account, you can use Wise, but you can't use Revolut, which is a fintech company that's like a mobile app and very popular here, but it does not work. It gives you an IBAN, which is the bank account number you need outside the United States for like everything, but it does not work. L'Assurance Maladie doesn't accept it, which sucks. And there's another one called Nickel, but Nickel doesn't work with Americans as far as I've been able to figure out so far. Anyhow, that brings us to Wise. So this is what DeepSeek is telling me. As of my last update, July 2024, Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a publicly traded company founded by Christo Carmen and Tavet Henriques in 2011. It went public on the London Stock Exchange in July 2021 through direct listing. Therefore, ownership is now distributed among shareholders. The stability of Wise is generally considered a stable and growing company in the fintech space. Here are some key points of supporting this. Strong revenue growth. It's consistently reported strong revenue growth driven by its low-cost international money transfer services and expanding product offerings. Profitability, unlike many fintech startups that operate at a loss, Wise has achieved profitability. That's very important in this day and age, which is a positive indicator of financial stability. Customer trust, it's strongly trusted, and I can back that up as a long-time Wise customer. One thing I forgot to say earlier was, based on the current stock price, it's been valued in this is market cap, so it's been valued in the range of 6 to 8 billion pounds, approximately 7.5 to 10 billion US dollars. So pretty sizable. Mind you, I'm not endorsing it personally. I'm just giving you the information that I'm finding out as I'm contemplating this decision on my own.